Welcome. So we're going to work through these examples here. So it says that we need to simplify each of the following, and we've also got our CAS here as well, because it's really important that whatever we can do by hand, we can also do with CAS. So let's go through this now. So the first one, we have x squared y cubed times x to the 4 y. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to color code them. So as you can see, I've color-coded the things with the same base. And the reason why I've done that is because we know that when we have things with the same base and they're multiplying, you add the powers. So this is going to be x2 plus 4, and then we're going to go y3 plus. Now, what is the power of this one? It's just a 1. So that means what we're going to be left with is x2 plus 4 is 6, y3 plus 1 is 4. So that's going to be our answer for that one. And it's just really important that you know that you need to consider the bases here. The bases are very important. Then we go to the next one. Here it is. So what we're going to do here is first of all, take note of the fact that the bases are the same. So that means we can add the powers. So 2x plus x plus 2. 2x plus 2. That's going to be our answer there. And we move on to the next one. Alrighty, this one, again, you need to be thinking about, all right, A. So see how I'm thinking about the bases? I've got B. So that means what I'm going to do here is I can go, well, 3 times 4 is 12. A squared, A cubed will be A to the 5 because I'm just adding the bases. And then here, 3 plus 3 is 6, so it will be B to the 6. So you don't have to do every single step of working. If you can do it straight away, I definitely recommend you do that. Now, we're just going to pause here for a second and see if we can do all these key skills with our CAS rather, because as you can see, this kind of was just one law here, and that is adding together powers of things with the same base. So let's see if we can, for instance, do this one on our CAS. And there's no real trick here at all. All we're going to do is go, all right, we've got x squared, then we've got y to the 3, and then I'm timesing that by x to the 4, and then y by itself. And if I hit enter, hopefully I get x to the 4, y to the x to the 6, y to the 4. And that is exactly what we see here. And I could do this for any of these here and get those same answers. So just make sure you can do this with your CAS. And I definitely recommend that as you're going through your exercise, you've got your CAS with you and you can do every question with your CAS as well as by hand. All right, I'll see you in the next part.